Now, the next part is what? Refraction. अब refraction क्या है? What do you understand by this word refraction? See, in reflection, what we have seen, this is my normal incident rate, reflected rate. Angle I, angle R. Yeah, this is my incident, this is my reflected, and this is my polished surface. Right? Here the medium is what? Air. It means same medium. Correct? But in refraction, we are not talking about the same medium. Here we are talking about the different medium. Suppose this is my glass slab. Okay. Now, this is my normal. Okay. Now, when a beam of light, this is what? Incident. When a beam of light hits with the normal, that will be what? My angle of incidence. Some part of the light reflects back with the same angle. Okay. That is what? Angle of reflection. But most of the light will move towards the normal. Understood? Some part of the light will move towards the normal. Why it is moving towards the normal? Why it is moving away from the normal? That we will discuss right now. But right now, some part of the light has moved towards the normal. Now, again, this is the normal ray, right? Perpendicular. Now, this one will be what? Angle of refraction. So this angle will be equal to my this angle. That is my refraction. Understood? Now, up till here, any doubt? Fine. Now the light will move away from the normal. This is what? Angle of emergence also you can say. Okay, angle of emergence also we can say. Now, why these things happen? Because this is what? Air, and this is what? My glass slab. And again, this is air. Okay. Now, what happens? Who will tell me air is much denser or glass slab is much denser? Huh?
The glass slab is denser.
Why glass slab is denser? Why glass slab is denser? Anyone can say. You are a chemistry student also, yaar. Not only the physics one. See now why glass slab is denser?
Particles are arranged closer.
Because it is solid. Air is gaseous. So obviously glass slab is solid. So intermolecular bonding of glass slab is much more stronger as compared to air. So glass slab will be denser now. Why you are thinking like an angel types? पता नहीं कौन सा धासु वाला आंसर होगा. हाँ? So glass slab is denser. Now learn the rule of refraction. Or how? One more thing. Some part of the light will reflect here also. It's a matter. Equal. This is incident ray for this one. and this will be reflected. Okay. Now, what is happening? If the ray of light, what I said, if the, write it down. If the ray of light coming from rarer, air is known as what? Rarer medium. And glass slab is known as what? Denser medium. So if a ray of light coming from rarer to denser medium, okay, the light will move towards the normal. The light ray will move towards the normal. Understood this concept? When a ray of light coming from denser to rarer medium, then the reflected ray will be away from the normal. Then the reflected ray will be away from the normal. This part is clear to you guys? Himang written?
Yes, ma'am.
Srijit written?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will explain me again? Srijit, why you are not interacting too much? New.
Ma'am, should I say the same statement which you said?
Yeah.
If a ray of light coming from rarer to denser, the deflected ray will move towards the normal. And if a ray of light is coming from denser to rarer, then a light ray will be deflected. Light ray will be away from the normal.
Okay. Very good. Now, I'm going to show you one video. From this video, I hope so you will understand. After that, we will come to the waves. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, fine. System was hanged. That's right. Can you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You just. And you can see that previously the laser beam light was what? Straight. Everyone can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Because my system has been hanged, that's what I'm saying. Fine. So the beam of light was not straight, but as it enters to the glass slab, it has moved towards the normal, and here you can see this. Some reflected light is here. In here also you can see some reflected light is here. Have you seen it? This thing? This is because some of the light is being reflected. Suppose in the water or in the sparkling type of light. Mama. At the edge of the river. Mama. Correct? Correct or not? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay? Because of that reason. Because some of the light is being reflected. The same thing is going to happen here. Now see. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the refraction. It means that the laser beam of whatever the beam of light is, it is reflecting between the two mediums. The ray of light is moving or is traveling between the two mediums. Some of the light is being reflected and some of the light, most of the light is refracted. That is the word refraction comes. Clear? This part is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
This part is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now comes to this here in this portion. So tomorrow we will study about the refraction of a plane wave. What happens to the wave when the light travels in the same medium and reflected back? Then here comes the Snell's law that we will study tomorrow. And the tomorrow session will study about the denser medium, what happens when the light travels from the rarer to denser medium, and then what happens when the light is traveling from the denser to rarer medium. All these things we will study tomorrow. Okay? Any doubt? Anyone has any doubt? Ask me.
No.
Srijit, Dhanashree, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, fine. See ya.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.